and you feel me, I just don't feel like going through the headache, so I'm just let the car sit like I said. So this is my old regulator, the one that was in this rear door, and this is the one I was sent. Now if y'all look, it's obvious these are two different sizes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, man, I knew I was sent the wrong part because when I unboxed it, it was a little bigger than the original one in the rear. So I brought it over here to the car today, and I looked at them, put them both side by side, and I just noticed it again that it's the wrong side. So, and like I said, I tried to get this one out, but y'all can just look at it. It's like chewed up, you feel me? So yeah, I just said forget it. If I figure out how to get it out later on, then I'll have an extra regulator, but for now I'm not struggling with that, you know. This thing is chewed up in here, bro. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and unfortunately this is not a video we're really gonna be installing anything, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know I like to keep y'all updated with everything that's going on. I told y'all I had ordered a regulator for the rear window, you know what I'm saying, because I got the belt wherever I put it in here. So I ordered a new belt as well, but I'm struggling to get that old one off, so I just said forget it. I just went ahead and ordered a whole new regulator. Well, not even new, it's used, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I had went ahead and ordered one, you feel me? So was waiting on that to come in. Took about a week for it to come in, and y'all read by the title and everything, I got sent the wrong part. So I messaged the seller, and he hit me back literally within the first 2 minutes, and it was like, I apologize, I'm sorry that you received the wrong part. Keep that part, and we still gonna send you the rear window regulator for the driver's side. So he's sending it out. It should be within the next couple days, you feel me? Which it's kind of setting me back, you know. I wanted to wash this car and just cruise in it, but I don't want to cruise in it with tape on that window to hold that window up, you know. I just don't want to do that. So the car gonna be sitting for about another week until I'm able to come out here again, or come over here again I should say, and install the new regulator whenever it come in. So like I said, it set me back, but it is what it is. Now when I received that, I knew it was wrong because it was a little bigger than the one I had pulled out at the rear side, or the rear driver's side. So excuse me, sorry about that. So yeah, like I said, man, I knew I was sent the wrong part because when I unboxed it, it was a little bigger than the original one in the rear. So I brought it over here to the car today, and I looked at them, put them both side by side, and I just noticed it again that it's the wrong side. So I was sent the front instead of the rear, you know what I'm saying? And I needed the rear. So like I said, man, it's gonna set me back a couple more days, but it'll be all right, you feel me? By the time they come in, I should have that new built motor here. So that's another thing I want to talk to y'all about real quick. Today is Saturday, so in 2 days, on a Monday, I'm going to pick up that built motor, and we're gonna have it over here with the box Chevy until I'm able to send this car off, and you feel me, get the motor dropped and put the new motor in. And like I said, the new motor is a built 350, you feel me, and I think it's a 4-speed transmission on it, so it'll go up in gear, you feel me? It got a little speed on it, plus it's a built motor, you know. And I lost my train of thought. My mind just went blank, you feel me? But yeah, man, like I said, man, it's a built motor. We're going to get a built motor. I know a lot of people will try to probably be like, just do an LS, but I don't want to do an LS, man, to be honest with y'all. I want my box Chevy to be a little bit different from everybody else's. So instead of doing an LS swap, I'm gonna put another 350 in it, but this 350 is a built motor, and the only miles on this motor is the break-in miles, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no unnecessary miles on it. Ain't a whole lot of miles on the motor. The only miles is the break-in miles, so the motor will be broke in, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm excited to get that motor. And like I said, 2 days, we want to pick that motor up in 2 days, and I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, but I'm gonna be struggling a little bit trying to get that motor up on the trailer and everything, but I'm gonna try to record, like I said, as much as possible, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all ready for that. We're gonna be motor swapping. That's, like I said, that's why the paint and stuff getting pushed back on this car, because I'm putting in a different motor in here. So you feel me, I can get up in speed a little bit and everything, but I'm gonna get more into that when the time comes when we go get the motor and everything, you feel me? But like I said, man, I was sent the wrong part, messaged the seller. He was like, I'm sorry about that. And I can literally show y'all the messages he texted me. It literally didn't take him 2 minutes to respond. But where's my eBay app? It's like my allergy starting to mess up a little bit. So I messaged him and sent him the picture of what I was sent, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get out and show y'all everything. And I was like, I was sent the driver front door regulator, but ordered the rear manual regulator for the driver's side. I hope we could resolve this. Thank you for your time. And I provided a picture just to show what I was sent. And he said, sorry to hear about that. I will get the rear sent out ASAP. And then he said, keep that one, you know what I'm saying? So he told me to keep this one. So now I have an extra regulator for my driver's side front if I ever need to replace it, you know what I'm saying? So I have an extra one and I got it for free. Or really, I got two for the price of that one, if I want to put it that way. And then I said, okay, thank you. He said, I'm extremely sorry. We'll get that taken care of for you. I said, it's not a problem at all. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time. And just like that, we got 2 regulators for the price of one. So, I mean, it wasn't a mistake on my end. You feel me? And I don't really want to put the blame on him. But I do really do appreciate him for allowing me to keep that one. I was as soon as I was typing, could you send me a new label to send that one back? He sent for me to just go ahead and keep it. So yeah, I was ready to send it back. You feel me? I don't need it right now, but it never hurts to have extra parts. You feel me? So yeah, we got an extra front regulator now, and we still waiting on the rear to come in. So whenever the rear come in, I'm gonna make another video. We're gonna install it, and then my box Chevy will finally be back. I can wash it and drive it. But like I said, I don't want to drive it right now because I don't want to drive with that window being held up by tape and then risk it dropping and cracking or breaking or anything. You feel me? And then that's more money having to be spent. So I'm gonna just let the car sit and stay right here until we get that regulator installed and the regulator back. So yeah, for the ready to get out, show y'all the one we were sent, and show y'all the one that I have now and everything I done tried to do to it. So make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way up. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I will catch y'all once I get outside the car. All right, y'all, outside of the car now, and yeah, I just basically want to show y'all, you feel me, everything that's going on. So y'all know my door panel and stuff, it's been off for about 2 weeks. And I'm just ready to start driving this car again, you feel me? I only got to drive it one time on my 26s, and the wheels are getting dirty. I need to wash them. But like I said, I only got to drive it one time on these 6s. And y'all know we just finished the rear deck. I haven't got to hear it yet, and I'm so excited to hear that. And you feel me? I'm just ready to drive my car, but I can't do it because, like I told y'all, I don't want to drive and then risk this tape coming off of this window, then the window dropping and potentially cracking or breaking or anything. I was gonna say it looked like it's cracked there, but it's just dirt. So like I said, man, I just don't want to risk it, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to put that risk and allow my window to just break. Then I'm gonna have to try and find another window, and you feel me? I just don't feel like going through the headache, so I'm just let the car sit like I said. So this is my old regulator, the one that was in this rear door, and this is the one I was sent. Now if y'all look, it's obvious these are two different sizes, you know what I'm saying? This is mine, the one that was in this door. As y'all can see how small this one is compared to this large one. So if we even it up here, look at that. So y'all can see the huge difference. So obviously this is for the front and this one is for the rear, because the rear window don't let all the way down. It go down about 1/4 of the way. The rear window stops about right here, while the front goes all the way down, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we was sent the wrong part, and this one works perfectly. I done put keep losing my train of thought, bro, but I done put this on there, the window handle. I done put it on here and turned it, and this one turns really easily, but I don't need to change my fronts because, you feel me, it turns down easily as well. So I can show y'all. You see what I'm saying? No struggle at all. Maybe need a little bit of grease or lubrication, you feel me, but the window rolls up and down easily, so I don't need to replace my front one. But like I said, it never hurts to have extra parts. So we have an extra part now, and I don't have to, you feel me, I don't have to worry about buying a driver front if my driver front ever goes bad. So yeah, we got an extra part, 2 of them for the price of 1. And the regulator, when I ordered it, it was $65 plus $20 shipping, so $85 plus tax. You know what I'm saying? Which is pretty good, because literally it was the only one I could find at the time, you feel me? But I looked today and I found it's one more online on eBay. There's one more that I found, and it's $110. So I definitely got a cheaper one, got one for a better deal. But regardless, they're all used. They don't make these parts anymore, you know? So you feel me, it's a used part, so they had to pull it off the car and then ship it out to me. But yeah, man, at least the issue was resolved. At least he told me he's gonna go ahead and send me out the new part. So whenever they come in, like I said, we're gonna install it on the car, and I'm gonna finally be able to drive this car again. And yeah, man, I'm just excited. You feel me? It's a lot we doing with this car. New motor finna go in it. We got the wheels on it. Dang, all these cicadas, bro. They said the cicadas gonna be bad this year, and there's 2 of them just sitting right here. I done already knocked one off, you know what I'm saying? If you get what I'm saying, you feel me? And there's 2 of them just sitting on my car right now. Show y'all. Well, one of them on the ground, the other one on the car. So 1, and then the other one is on the tire. So yeah, man, these cicadas are getting really bad. But yeah, man, I'm excited, you feel me? I'm ready to get this regulator in so I can install the new one. And like I said, I tried to get this one out, but y'all can just look at it. It's like chewed up, you feel me? So yeah, I just said forget it. If I figure out how to get it out later on, then I'll have an extra regulator. But for now, I'm not struggling with that, you know? This thing is chewed up in here, bro. I don't know how it got like that, don't know what happened, but, and I don't think I did it, you feel me? I just think over time it's gonna wear out, it's gonna go bad, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, we got, I can show y'all. I'm going ahead and pull it out of the packaging. We have a new belt already. If y'all look to see, we have a new belt. So the only thing I gotta do is put it in there and then trim it down to size. But like I said, man, I don't even feel like dealing with this headache. Or really, I don't even have to trim it down, you know? Just let the rest hang in here, because it only go down so far anyways. But yeah, man, like I said, I don't feel like dealing with this headache. I done tried off camera so many times, so many days. I came out here just messing with this car, or messing with this regulator, I should say. But I can't get this out. It's like stuck in there because it's like chewed up. Look how bad it's chewed up. And if we, I don't know if y'all can see in there, where y'all really can't, but yeah, man, it's chewed up pretty bad in there. And I tried turning it with these vice grips, it won't turn because of how chewed up it is, you know? So I just said forget it, I'm leaving it alone. I'm not messing with this. I'm not dealing with this headache right now. So this one, if I ever decide or ever find somebody to fix it, or if I ever fix it myself or be able to, then I have an extra regulator for this rear window. But until then, man, I done went ahead and ordered one. So we're just gonna use the new to me one when it comes, you feel me? But like I said, I have a belt and I have the old regulator, and this is the new driver regulator, but I'm not gonna be installing it because I don't need it right now. So I'm gonna put this up because I don't need it right now. This one I'm gonna put up with this so they'll be together, so I remember if I ever need to or want to work with it, then I will. But once the new one come in, like I said, we're going to install it on the car. Then I'm going to finally be driving my car again. And you feel me? I just miss driving this car. Y'all know we done a lot. Put the new weather stripping in, inside and out. Inside and out. You feel me? Front, rear. We done been doing a lot with this car. And it ain't too much left besides throw that motor in, throw some paint on it, and should be done. You feel me? But yeah, man, I'm now just waiting, you feel me? Just gotta be patient. We're finna drop the cutlass off soon. What else? Yeah, finna drop the cutlass off soon, so that's finna get fabricated. I'm gonna throw that Euro clip on. It's a lot we still gotta do with these cars, you feel me? And I'm excited for everything that's coming. So hope y'all are as well, and I hope y'all enjoy this. And like I said, it ain't really us installing nothing. I just want to keep y'all updated with everything that's going on and let y'all know why I haven't installed the regulator yet. So just waiting on the new part. So I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. And yeah, man, we just gonna keep grinding. until the end, you feel me? So catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so I'm sorry if it seemed like I'm just recording nonsense, you know what I'm saying, but a lot of y'all do like to be updated with everything that's going on. So I know a few of y'all was probably asking why I haven't installed no regulator yet, why the car's just been sitting in the same spot, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, that's the reason. We just waiting on it to come in the mail, you know. I done tried to get the belt out of that old one, can't get it, you feel me? You see, look how chewed up it was. So this is a part of it, but the rest of it would not come out, you know. So I don't know what else really to do, you feel me? Look how this is how chewed up it was. So like I said, I don't know how it got like that either, and I know I don't think I was the cause of it, you know. I really didn't do nothing with the regulator. I didn't uninstall it until I had, you feel me, had to actually pull it out because it was messing up. So yeah, man, like I said, I don't know why I was doing that, why I did that. I'm guessing just over time. Like I said, I'm guessing just over time it just got like that, you feel me? So yeah, man, but that's gonna be the end of this one, man. We're waiting on a new regulator to come in. Once they come in, we're gonna install it on the car. Then I'm gonna be driving my car around for the summer, so most likely y'all will be getting a lot of driving footage, you feel me, with this car, my Charger, my Cutlass, you know. And I was looking to buy another project car, but you feel me, I don't want to buy another project car right now until I finish at least this one, you know. Once this one is finished, like after paint and the motor swap, then I'm looking to get another project car. But for now, you know what I'm saying, I'm not buying no more cars until I finish at least one of these, you feel me. I don't want that burden having 3 projects at once. I know a lot of people do it, you feel me, but it's a lot already just trying to have my Cutlass and this box Chevy, trying to get them done, you know. It's a lot of money being spent and not enough coming back in, you feel me. Not none coming back in from the content, but I know one day it'll eventually pay off. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, like I said, once the new one come in, we're gonna install it. I'm gonna be driving the car, and I hope y'all just enjoy the driving footage, you feel me. It's a lot I'm still trying to do with these cars. Wheels, I'm not really too pressed on getting any more wheels right now. I'm not stressed about it, but like I said, man, Monday, today is Saturday, so in 2 days we will be going to get that built motor, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to pick it up. I'm gonna try to make at least 1 or 2 videos out of it, you know what I'm saying, just so I can, and I'm gonna be asking him a little bit of details about it, you know. And yeah, man, if I told y'all the price I'm getting for that motor and transmission, it's a combo, y'all most likely wouldn't believe me, you know what I'm saying. It's a built motor, it's a good motor, and it runs perfectly, you feel me. And I'm just ready to install it in this car. So yeah, man, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Y'all be safe, you feel me, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.